Imagine transforming your life by simply changing the way you think. Developing an abundance mindset can open doors to opportunities you never thought possible. It's about shifting from a scarcity mentality where you constantly feel like there's not enough, to a mindset of limitless possibilities. When you embrace abundance, you believe that there's enough for everyone, including yourself, and that you are deserving of success, happiness, and fulfillment. An abundance mindset is not just about attracting material wealth, it's about cultivating a deep sense of gratitude, appreciation, and a belief in your own potential. It's about seeing challenges as opportunities for growth and setbacks as temporary detours on your path to success. Stick around until the end for a free ebook offer on cultivating an abundance mindset. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more life-changing content. Let's dive right in with a powerful technique that can reshape your reality visualization. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine yourself achieving your biggest goals. See it, feel it, and experience it as if it's happening right now. What does success look, sound, and feel like to you? Imagine yourself walking into a room with confidence, knowing you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Picture yourself celebrating your accomplishments, surrounded by loved ones who are proud of your journey. Feel the joy, the excitement, the sense of fulfillment washing over you. This isn't just wishful thinking. It's about programming your subconscious mind for success. Studies show that visualization can enhance performance and increase motivation. When you vividly imagine yourself achieving your goals, you create a powerful neural pathway in your brain, making it more likely that you'll take the necessary actions to make those dreams a reality. Think of it like this. Your mind is a garden, and your thoughts are the seeds. If you plant seeds of doubt, fear, and scarcity, you'll harvest a life filled with limitations. But if you plant seeds of abundance, possibility, and belief, you'll cultivate a life that's rich in every sense of the word. Now, I want you to take this visualization exercise to the next level. Don't just imagine the outcome, visualize the journey. See yourself overcoming obstacles with grace and resilience. Picture yourself learning from your mistakes and emerging stronger and wiser. Remember, the road to success is not always linear. There will be challenges along the way, but it's how you perceive and respond to those challenges that will determine your ultimate outcome. With an abundance mindset, you'll see setbacks as opportunities for growth and use them as fuel to propel you forward. So make visualization a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Spend a few minutes each day immersing yourself in the feeling of achieving your goals. The more you do it, the more you'll rewire your brain for success, attracting opportunities and abundance into your life. Remember, your potential is limitless. You are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Believe in yourself, visualize your dreams, and take massive action. The world is waiting for you to step into your greatness. Let's talk about the incredible power of words. What we repeatedly tell ourselves becomes our reality. Our self-talk, those inner dialogues we have with ourselves, can either empower us or hold us back. That's where daily affirmations come in. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself, consciously choosing to focus on what you want to create in your life. They are powerful tools for rewiring your subconscious mind, replacing limiting beliefs with empowering truths. Start your day by looking in the mirror and saying affirmations like, "I am worthy of success," "Opportunities come to me effortlessly," or "I am a magnet for abundance." Repeat them with conviction, feeling the truth of each word resonating within you. Affirmations work because they create a vibrational match for what you desire. When you consistently affirm your worthiness, abundance, and success, you align yourself with the energy of those qualities, making it more likely that you'll attract them into your life. It's like tuning a radio to a specific frequency. When you focus your thoughts and words on abundance, you tune your energy to the frequency of abundance, attracting more of it into your experience. Don't underestimate the power of these simple yet profound statements. Research shows that affirmations can rewire your brain to think positively and attract abundance. They can boost your self-esteem, increase your confidence, and help you overcome self-sabotaging beliefs. Make affirmations a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Write them down, record yourself saying them, and listen to them throughout the day. The more you immerse yourself in the energy of abundance, the more you'll embody it in your thoughts, feelings, and actions. Remember, your words have power. Choose to speak life, abundance, and possibility into your reality. Affirm your greatness and watch as your life transforms before your very eyes. Gratitude is the foundation of an abundant life. It's about shifting your focus from what you lack to what you have, appreciating the blessings in your life, no matter how small they may seem. When you cultivate an attitude of gratitude, you open yourself up to receiving even more abundance. It's like sending a signal to the universe that says, I am grateful for what I have, and I am open to receiving more. One powerful way to cultivate gratitude is to keep a gratitude journal. Every day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. They could be simple things like a warm cup of coffee, a beautiful sunset, or a kind word from a loved one. As you write, really feel the gratitude in your heart. Let it wash over you, filling you with joy and appreciation. The more you focus on what you're grateful for, the more you'll attract things to be grateful for. Gratitude is not just about feeling good, it's also incredibly good for you. Research shows that gratitude practices are linked to improved mental health and emotional resilience. They can reduce stress, increase happiness, and strengthen relationships. When you approach life with a grateful heart, you see challenges as opportunities for growth and setbacks as temporary detours on your path to success. You develop a deep sense of inner peace and contentment, knowing that you have everything you need to thrive. Make gratitude a daily practice. Express your appreciation to others, savor the simple pleasures in life, and take time to reflect on all the good in your world. The more you cultivate gratitude, the more you'll unlock the floodgates of abundance in your life. You've heard the saying, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. This couldn't be truer when it comes to cultivating an abundance mindset. The people you surround yourself with have a profound impact on your thoughts, beliefs, and ultimately your results. If you're constantly surrounded by negative, pessimistic people who dwell on scarcity, it's going to be an uphill battle to maintain an abundance mindset. Their energy will drain you, their doubts will seep into your subconscious, and their limitations will become your own. On the other hand, when you surround yourself with positive, supportive people who are committed to growth, abundance, and living their best lives, their energy becomes contagious. You'll be inspired by their actions, motivated by their beliefs, and uplifted by their unwavering support. Think about it. If you want to become a successful entrepreneur, would you rather spend your time with people who are stuck in dead-end jobs and constantly complaining about their bosses? Or would you rather connect with successful entrepreneurs who are passionate about their businesses and eager to share their knowledge? The answer is obvious. Surround yourself with people who are already living the life you desire, and their energy will rub off on you. Their beliefs will challenge your limitations, their actions will inspire you to take action, and their success will become a blueprint for your own. This doesn't mean you have to cut off all your old friends and family members who aren't on the same path as you. It's about being mindful of the energy you allow into your life and making a conscious effort to connect with people who uplift you, inspire you, and support your growth. Join communities or follow influencers who promote positivity and abundance. Attend workshops, seminars, and events where you can connect with like-minded individuals who are committed to personal development and living their best lives. Remember, your environment matters. Choose to surround yourself with people who elevate you, challenge you, and inspire you to become the best version of yourself. In a world that's constantly evolving, the only constant is change. To thrive in this dynamic environment and unlock unlimited abundance, you must be willing to embrace continuous learning and growth. An abundance mindset is not a destination. It's a journey of constant expansion, evolution, and self-discovery. It's about pushing past your comfort zones, challenging your limiting beliefs, and developing new skills that empower you to create the life you desire. The moment you stop learning and growing is the moment you start stagnating. Your mind, like a muscle, needs to be exercised and challenged to stay sharp and adaptable. Make a commitment to yourself to invest in your personal and professional development. Take online courses, read books, attend workshops, and seek out mentors who can guide you on your journey. There are countless resources available to you, many of them free or very affordable. Check out platforms like Coursera, edX, and Udemy for a wide variety of courses on personal development, business, technology, and more. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and explore new subjects. You never know what you might discover about yourself and the world around you. The more you learn, the more you'll realize how much more there is to learn. Embrace a growth mindset, believing that your intelligence, abilities, and potential are not fixed, but can be developed through dedication, effort, and a willingness to learn from your mistakes. Remember, the only limit to your growth is the limit you set for yourself. Embrace continuous learning as a way of life and watch as you unlock unlimited abundance in all areas of your life. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on developing an abundance mindset. Download our free ebook in the description below to start your journey towards abundance. This ebook will provide you with even more in-depth strategies, exercises, and insights to help you cultivate an unshakable abundance mindset and create a life filled with purpose, passion, and fulfillment. Join our Facebook community to share your experiences and connect with like-minded individuals who are on their own journeys towards abundance. Together, we can support each other, share our successes, and inspire each other to live our best lives.